Here's something that I bet a lot of people out there didn't know.
Magnets, even simple basic magnets like these, can actually interfere with your welding arc.
Take this TIG welding arc, for example. Smooth, crisp, and precise, as it should be. Now, watch what happens to my TIG welding arc when it is within the magnetic field of these basic magnets. Sparks and uncontrollable arc sticking to the plate, etc. This can be avoided by not using magnets, staying far away from the magnets, or using an AC welding machine.